Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.
Ciao, amici. We're heading off to spiaggia Punta Faro, beach Punta Faro here in Messina, in Sicily. We're going to be going into the water because it's not obviously summer, but still, just to check out the beach and do some drone shots will be a fun day. We're going by bus, €130 to go to use the bus, which is a pretty decent price, and it takes about 15 minutes to get to this spiaggia, this beach. So I'll let you know how it goes. Say hi, Naz. Andiamo a Punta Faro, spiaggia Punta Faro, ok? Look at this little restaurant.
The water.
Love it. Very clear, man. We picked up some arancini last night from a local place in Messina, and we're about to try it. Ragu.
Look.
Arancini de ragu. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. All that for like €11 ish. Look at that. Delicious. You approve? So much filling.
A bit better warmed up, but
We try to do the best we can with the sun. It's pretty good. Pesto arancini.
We'll see what happens.
See what happens. Wow.
It looks good.
Very pesto-y.
Oh, it's good.
Mmm. It's good. Yeah. Not bad.
Takes a few minutes.
Yeah, it's cold. It ain't Sunny Isle Beach. But we're also in the summer.
It's ice cold, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty ice cold. But it's clear. Look at this. Clean and clear. Very nice local on the bus told us to check out this gelato. What do you call the other thing? Granita place called Eden. We'll see what it's all about. Hopefully it's open. This guy's having beer, so we should. Hold on. Beer, babe. Sì. Oh, ok, ok, grazie. No, no.
Okay, solo
Sì, esatto, sì.
No, you have to do it with the brioche.
Ah, ok, fa con brioche. Ho mai provato con brioche, però è nuovo per me. Grazie.
Well, that's how they do it in
Yeah, fine, I'll do it. All right, so you got the cappuccino one, the coffee one. I don't know who eats it with a brioche, but here. It's famous granita my mom used to make all the time. It's delicious. I just don't see the concept with this. I really. Oh my God,
It's
smells
brioche.
good though.
Yeah.
All right, I approve. Now let's try this one.
I got the whipped cream. It's a little too much here.
Let's try this. Hey, we're on camera here. I'm quiet. It's good too? All right, she approves. Smell this. Smell this.
It's a brioche.
Yeah, it's a brioche. Very good. Very clear water here as well in Messina, as you can see. We had our lunch and now we're set for the day. Beautiful, beautiful beach. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh,
See it.
sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe to High Five Travel. We out. Peace. Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.